Hello everyone. Let's write and read CVC words. Are you ready? Let's go. We have 4 pictures here. Mop, dip, dot, tin. Now let's write the word mop. Mop. Listen to the sound. Mop. Op. Mop. Mop. Dip. Dip. D. I. P. Dip. Dip. Dot. Dot. D. O. T. Dot. Dot. Tin. Tin. T. I. N. T. I. N. Tin. Great work. Well done. Four more pictures. We have a picture of a cat, can, cot, and a sun. Let's write the word cat. Cat. Listen to the sound. Cat. K. A. T. Cat. Cat. Can. Can. K. A. N. K. A. N. Can. Cot. Cot. K. O. T. Cot. Cot. Sun. Sun. S. N. S. N. Sun. Great work. Well done. Fantastic job. Well done. Now we have the last 4 pictures. Mud, mug, bat, bag. Now let's write the word mud. Mud. Listen for the sound. Mud. M. A. D. M. A. D. Mud. Mug. Mug. M. A. G. M. A. G. Mug. Bat. Bat. B. A. T. B. A. T. Bat. Bag. Bag. B. A. G. B. A. G. Bag. Fantastic work. Well done, everyone. Great work. Great reading and writing. Hello parents, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade phonics resources that will help your child with their reading and writing skills. These resources has helped my class to become fluent readers, and it will guarantee to help your child too. I will leave a link in description. Thank you.